He's finally got a fish.
Unbelievable.
He has finally got a fish.
Hey, I told you we were going to catch him right here.
We didn't get skunked today.
This is unbelievable. Look how many rods I got strung out here. We're trying everything. We're throwing everything we can at it.
Bye, fish.
But there's more here, so we might get some more right now.
Oh my god, look at it. It's gonna attack me. There they are. Oh my god, those are big turkeys. Look at them, look at them. What's up, turkeys? How you been?
Hey man, what's wrong with you?
Okay, everybody. We're fishing the California Delta, day 2.
Day 2.
Day 2. Yesterday didn't go so well.
Bang that up, chip this. This is gone. Oh, it's bent too.
We plan on doing something. We plan on catching fish. That's the main goal.
Yeah, we're gonna go out and try to fish some of the areas that we did all right at. The weather's still really cold. It's actually colder this morning than it was yesterday.
It's warming up though.
Water temps are a few degrees colder. They're 56 right now. We're gonna go try and go deeper. We think we kind of like learned some stuff from yesterday that we're kind of making mistakes, and we're gonna switch it up with our gear this morning. We re-rigged, and we're gonna go out and try and see if we can find some. I'm gonna throw a few different baits. I'm gonna throw a lipless crankbait for a little bit for today. And if this don't work, if we can go out and we're just not feeling it, like maybe big break gets in the spot, we're gonna put the boat back on the trailer. We're gonna head over the Antioch Bridge and go fish the Sacramento side of the Delta. We're on the San Joaquin right now. And, you know, I don't expect it to be real crazy out there with the bite.
All right, we're getting out of the boat ramp now. And, yeah, that's how we're gonna roll today. So, we're gonna launch out there. Super calm today. No winds expected. No winds expected today. So we got to our spot. We're gonna try using, what do you use? You're using a drop shot? Yeah, we keep flicking on the power poles, don't worry. Alright everybody, I would like to introduce to you the mini bait cast. How long would you say this rod is?
Not even 4 feet, probably.
So about 3.5. So about 3.5 rod. It's a Berkeley, where is it? Berkeley cherry wood with a little lipless crankbait on it. And it's tiny.
That's right.
But we're gonna try it out anyway.
It was literally a rod from one of my buddies. He brought his 4-year-old daughter on board, and it was her rod that he just repurposed with one of the repurposed with his bait caster, really just for fun, just to see if he could catch a fish on it.
We're gonna try it throughout the day,
just randomly. Oh, you got the line wrapped around the freaking thing, right on the end. Uh-oh, we gotta retie. Stop.
Okay, so we got the little crankbait on there now, and this isn't a spinning. This is, wait, what is it called? It's not really a bait cast reel.
Yeah, it is.
Rod.
There you go.
It's a
spinning reel.
It's a spinning reel. If I cast correctly. All right. We got the tiny rod here. We're gonna give it in real quick. And we're gonna try to catch something with it real quick. So I'm gonna get the treble hooks caught on the line. It'll work a lot better. Oof. Backlash. Spaghetti backlash. It's like a spaghetti backlash over here. Oh! That's the problem we had. Tried to cast it and nothing was on there. Oh, disappointed. We'll put something else on there later. Worth a shot. There's the buoy that Piglet doesn't like. That's what we named the boat, SS Buoy, after Piglet. Here's the video of her barking at it.
Found her arch nemesis.
Ready?
What? I cannot believe it. 5 miles an hour, no way.
Engine running real nice. Where are we going now?
I don't know.
We don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go find some deeper water.
We're gonna do something different.
Yeah, we're gonna do something. We gotta do something different. We haven't been catching anything all day today, so.
Hello, fam.
Finally got a fish.
Unbelievable.
He has finally got a fish.
Hey, I told you we were gonna catch him right here.
We didn't get skunked today.
This is unbelievable.
Yes.
Unfreaking believable. There we go.
That's a nice one, actually.
10, probably 11 inches maybe.
It's not
Hey,
a keeper.
Right now, I'll
This is
take
the best
any
fish
damn-
ever.
Any damn thing.
That's awesome. One fish on the scoreboard today.
On the little baby
As we were just about to
Ned
leave.
Cinco. A little 4-inch Ned Cinco.
Finally, we didn't get skunked today.
Wow.
Yay!
With the crawlick.
I'm gonna touch it. Look at the fins on
Yeah,
that
buddy.
bad boy.
Cool.
Release it.
Yeah, hold on a second. Let me get this hook out of his mouth. There we go.
So, guys, we didn't get skunked today.
Unbelievable.
This is a fish today. So,
Look how many rods I got strung out here. We're trying everything. We're throwing everything we can at them.
bye, fish.
But there's more here, so we might get some more right now.
Yep.
So.
Now we're in spirits again. Okay, guys. Are you calling it?
Yeah, let's call it.
Yeah, we're calling it. We didn't get skunked today, so that's what matters.
That's pretty bad when you're stoked that you didn't get skunked. But hey, but tomorrow's Berryessa, and hopefully things are different. Because every day's a new day. Damn it.
That's right. All right, everybody. Today was a good day. We are now heading back to the house, and I'm gonna start editing the video, post it tonight or tomorrow. No, I'll post it tonight. And yeah. So the last video will be somewhere over here or here. Go click that. It's a good video, and yeah, just go watch it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Tomorrow we're going to Lake Berryessa, and we're definitely going to catch fish there, so I'm going to charge the GoPro up, get this camera going and stuff, and yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.